said to her, when I donate to Planka team, Miss Donna said she don't.
Turn my music high. JJ Sims.
I go to war, I fight for you. Even when I've left, I do right by you. I'll be your everything, your blue sky.
Tell them.
I go to war, I fight for you. Even when I've left, I do right by you. I'll be your everything, your blue sky.
Yeah. I'll make the impossible so possible. No need to dream.
Want no money. I can donate to her team. She don't want no money.
Yeah, 13, she don't give, not me.
I send this money for you. I'm not sending no money for no recipient. I'm sending my money for you. She said, are you sure? And I said, yes. But Miss Donna came out and said she didn't want the money. In the end, I said it's for her. She took the money for herself.
Rascal, Dano, me did the Port Antonio, and this lady called me and start asking me why me bring her name to 13. So anyway, me did in a town. So anyway, I text her back. Why she think me would call her name to 13? That are the only somebody where me wouldn't call her name to. And no, what I did was voicenote her back. That I wouldn't, and that's when she started talking. But you can't listen to it. Me don't listen to some of them, you know. God no. Me don't listen to them. The started first one and me just get
vexed. I've been donating to Jamaica for a long time. And nobody
cut down your
called my
speed.
name.
Hold on.
No, you've been donating money to people in Jamaica like Erica them. I said, yeah.
Thank you, love.
Erica them. I said, yeah. I said, I donate to Erica, I donate to this, I donate to that. But none of these people never call my name. That's what I said to her. And I said, she and Dwayne now has put my name on social media. But why don't she come out and say why she really vexed? Why she have to lie and said that you called my name? When you spoke, I haven't watched your live, but somebody called me and said, Erica's live is saying she has something on Dwayne. Erica never called nobody's name. So why is 13 saying, when you call on the live, like you call my name to say, I call people name. I never call nobody name to you, Erica. I listened to the live good, where she said, me send this for Planka team, me send that for Planka team. Why 13 don't speak what people say? When I tell her, say, Anna and Dwayne is the only two somebody on social media who insult me. I said to her, when I donate to Planka team, Miss Donna said she don't want no money. I can donate to her team, she don't want no money.
Yeah, 13, she don't give, not me.
I send this money for you. I'm not sending no money for no recipient. I'm sending my money for you. She said, are you sure? And I said, yes. But Miss Donna came out and said she didn't want the money. In the end, I said it's for her. She took the money for herself.
Rascal, Dano.
And I mentioned to her, nobody that I donated to in Jamaica never called my name before. Why do you and Dwayne have to come out and make people know that I donated to Jamaica? That's how the conversation goes. So if 13 trying to rub anything in, that's so sad. That is so sad. I wasn't that bad when she was taking. I heard she make a life say, I 300 pounds, me give her. It's a lie. Send the voice message them to her, man, because that's all that happens on social media. This one I record that one day I record that one. Please do. Send the recording to her. Coming on, no reason to lie to mix up. What I said to 13, I've been donating for a long time, and nobody on social media never come out and disgrace me. The first somebody who disgraced me over money was Anna, because Anna said she have a little nephew that he never know now.
They have voicenote.
iPad or laptop, whichever one it was, and I sent her the money. And about 3 weeks after that, she was doing a live, and all I said to Anna is, Anna, did you buy something for the little boy? That woman disgraced me just like she disgraced Nakilet. I never come and talk about it on the live. Saloni as well. I sent hundreds of pounds for that one Saloni. So when I heard Dwayne saying he donated to Saloni alone, I'm not going to come out on social media and talk about it. So 13 looks like something hurt her because I never had time to give her the 500 pounds.
I know me. Sorry, lady, cause I know me.
You understand me? I never sit down with your name with 13 to say, yes, I give Erica that money. I said the persons that I donated to. Nobody never called my name. That's what I said. I just need to keep my name off of social media because sometimes the goodness of people's heart You know, you give from your heart. I never call your name like that to 13. And if 13 don't tell like 13 can say the truth. What I said to 13 is the people that I have donated to. Yes, your name came up in it. But I never had a conversation like that to just say, well, you know, I donated to Erica. I said the people that I donated to. You understand? They will text back and say, thank you, ma'am, or thank you, miss, or whatever. But these people never bring my name on social media. My name gets on social media. My name gets on social media because of Dwayne and 13. 13 apologized and she said, oh, I'm sorry because yes, it was me that caused this or it was me that caused that. And that's it. By the way, she's saying, like, I told you, I call people name to you, I never call nobody's name to you. I said to him, there's a lady on your platform named 13. I would like to donate some money to her. Dwayne said, what about me? It's Valentine's. So I said, no problem. I can send you 50 pounds and send her £100. That's what I did. When Dwayne refused to give 13 the money, 13 called me back 4 weeks or 3 weeks after and said, madam, I never get the money. So I then waited till Dwayne come back from Jamaica and I said to Dwayne, why you don't give the lady the money? He said, so to me, I used to laugh. I was thinking it was a joke. But 13 was serious. 13 said, I'm serious. I don't get my money. So when I said to Dwayne, but the money was not for you. He said, well, if me bad, make him send back the money. And I said, you will send my money back. You understand me? When Dwayne here said, I'm going to involve the law, Dwayne sent back the money in full. The £130, the £150.
Now no inbox come beg on $1. Put you up. Right now, uno put you up. No put uno say uno talk. Anybody that on the live when me come in a inbox come beg $1. Me nah beg. Me nah beg. If me a beg, me a come out here come ball out, make you all out no ear. Me nah in no quiet corner begging, and me no want no friend from nobody cause the whole of uno used to tear me down. The whole of uno from you woman, Dwayne, 13, the whole of uno used to tear me down. I try tear me down, but I God me say. Yeah, I try tear me down. Uno only that try. Uno only that try, but uno can't get me out. Uno try tear me down. But try if it tear me down different from tear me down after I know uno make me. I know uno make me, you know. And God make me. I don't know uno give me nothing where me have. I me never thief nothing where me have. Everything where me have, me earn it. All where me have, me earn it. Me not get nothing, me agree. Say me not get nothing from no parents. Me not get no parents love. Me start a vitamin extra early and all these things. But ladies and gentlemen, no. Doesn't matter. It no matter. Me can't turn back the hands at time. No, so me never send you over to shit.